Today is April 23rd.
Smoking with the door down.
That's Weird Al Silk Sonic parody.
I'll film the sky and you make a little monster for the end. Go.
No! That's the camera me and Manny shot all our shit on from 2013.
He's just a little guy.
It's because he doesn't have the rhythm of the night inside his bones! This is the rhythm of the night.
But I did get you the name brand Cape Cod.
Oh, cheddar crackers.
They were like $2 cheaper, so I was like,
Get here.
What is going on today?
Trike brigade.
Like everyone's driving these weird ass, I guess it's warm out, but
Momixon.
this is my cart. This is what I'm getting.
Chuck put it too fucking. Oh, dude, the Dairy Queen sign.
Oh, yeah. Taco John. Regular John. Come on.
look here, we have the beautiful bricks
Cleveland
of Cleveland. Oh no, I'm not. Okay. Bye. John, how do you feel?
Well, then I'm staying at Julia's tonight.
Ding, ring, ding, ding. Let's go.
Ding, ding, ding.
You do the